Hey there, Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is the reading for your regarding your love life for the month of October. And I have already shuffled card and pulled out card for you because I have done reading before in another language. So I will tell you what card came up for you. As you are seeing that you are having a Hangman, the Seven of Cup, Wheel of Fortune, and Seven of Swords. And underneath the deck you have, I took these cards. So you are doing good in your love life. You are very much um, marriage material or a perfect partner for your person. Your person is rushing towards you, or you are rushing towards someone who is very much perfect, seems very much perfect to you, and you have some kind of clarity in your mind about this person. Maybe you are dealing with the earth sign, you have some kind of clarity, but this person is holding their emotion back. Maybe this person have in the energy of King of Cup. Maybe you are dealing with the um, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe you are dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, uh, or maybe you are dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So someone air sign is it can be like that. Someone air sign is rushing towards you because they sees you as a perfect partner for them. They have some kind of clarity in their mind. They know their emotions, and they are fully aware of their emotion about you, and they are now rushing towards you. They are looking at you. So they want some new beginning. Maybe this person coming back from past. So they have new clarity about you. So let's see what other cards are saying to you. You have Hangman. You are waiting for something. Maybe you are waiting to end the cycle, in some kind of cycle in your love life, so that you can start something new, something peaceful in your love life. So, or you are now start seeing this person who is rushing toward you in a different perspective. Before you were very happy with this person, now you see is that this person is toxic to you, or maybe this person is not good for you. That's why you are seeing differently this person, and you are very much confused to having this person again in your life, or maybe you are having other options except this person. So you are exploring your other options, not paying attention to this person, or you are waiting for some kind of good period in your you are confused that why this whatever you are waiting for is not happening, and how much time will it take to happen in your love life. So something sneaky behind is going on behind you. Maybe this person who is rushing toward you was not good for you. They were a cheater, liar, and having some kind of sneaky things they were doing behind you. That's why you left this person, and this person is coming again. So you think this person is will be the liar as they were before. So you are not paying attention to that person, and you are waiting for the right time, and you are for your love life, the or you are choosing your other options. So I have clarified this Hangman. So I have I clarify the segment, so I get these card. I got these card, Ten of Wand and the Devil. So this person was the toxic and was a burden for you, or maybe you are waiting to end this kind of burden and responsibility kind of life, and this toxic kind of situation, and so you are hanging over this situation to end this situation. So you want to end this toxic kind of situation in your life. You are very much confused. So I have clarified this Seven of Cup also. So I got the cards of Ten of Pentacle and Three of Wands. So you want stability. You are confused over the stable love life relationship. You are waiting for your ships to come in. Maybe you are waiting for the person, for the right person to which will give you the stability of the love life. You are confused, you are exploring other options, because you want to leave this toxic relationship, this toxic person who is rushing toward you, and you are having your stable relationship with someone else, and you are having good in your maybe with other person. So it's a divine timing. You are waiting to end this situation. And I have clarifier for the seven of swords also. I clarify seven of swords with the knight of swords again, and that's four of wands. So this person um, behind the scene or secretively wants this connection again with you. They are rushing towards you, they want it secretively. Maybe this person is seeing you far from far, and they want this stability, but they are not coming towards you. Or maybe you are doing something secretively from to get this stability, and you are rushing over this stability as you are very much confused. You want to end this toxic relationship, and you are rushing toward this stability. You want this stability in hurry now, and you want something. You are doing something behind the scene, not letting other people know what you are doing. You want this stability. So that's why uh, you are waiting to end this toxicity. And what come up for your outcome, people around you are not happy with your stability, and they fight with you. They create always fight and fighting, fussing, mind game, manipulating kind of situation. So you want to leave this thing behind. You want to defend yourself. You have fight left to defend your love life, your emotions. You want stability. You are hiding things, hiding your love life from these person. You are defending your love life. You're hiding your love life from these person. You want stability. People are not happy with you and your love life. So you are defending them. In month of October, you are doing secretive things behind the scenes, uh, or you are not telling others. So things are hidden. You are doing something hidden, and you are spying over. Someone is spying over you maybe, or they won't come back to you. This kind of situation can be in the month of October. Someone from the past want to come back, or you want to defend your love life from others who has bad eye over your love life. So it can be this person who is rushing toward you, or it can be other people around you, maybe family and relatives, who are not happy with your stability and love life and happiness. So you want to defend your love life from bad eyes from other people. So you will be able to do this in the month of October. So Sagittarius, this was your reading for the month of October regarding your love life. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.